Friends, this is Ganesh Patil and welcome to our YouTube channel Defense Career Academy Aurangabad. Okay, now see, in the last lecture we have studied the first type of variation is the direct variation. Okay, and now today we are going to discuss about the indirect variation. This is the second part of variation, indirect variation, or it is also called as inverse variation. Inverse variation. What is inverse variation? Inverse variation means suppose one quantity is increased, then another one quantity is decreased. For example, this is the speed of car and this is the distance travel. Okay, suppose you can suppose you have increased the speed of car, then you have distance travel in less time, means speed increase, then distance is the distance travel time is decrease. Suppose the speed of your car is 50 kilometer per hour and the distance suppose 200 kilometer. So what is the time for travel the distance 200 kilometer? What is the time taken by the car travel to distance 200 kilometer? Suppose the speed of car is 50 kilometer per hour, then this is 4 hours. And suppose you just decrease your speed of car, means suppose now first your speed of car is 50 kilometer per hour, that time 4 hours for traveling the distance 200 kilometer, and suppose the speed of car is 40, means speed is decreased, that time is increased, means 5 hours. Okay, then see, now we are going to discuss the definition of inverse variation. See, X is inversely proportional or inverse variation to Y. X is inverse variation or indirect proportion in Y. Okay, then see, X is equals to K upon Y and K is equals to X into Y. This is the equation of variation and this is the value of constant. This is the value of constant. Now we are going to solve the examples on the given point, indirect variation or inverse variation. Okay, then see, the first question is find the value of constant, find the value of constant of the value of constant and equation of variation, and write down equation of variation of the following examples, of the following examples. Suppose the first example, P is inversely proportional to Q if P is equals to 15 and Q is equals to 4. Okay, you know, here find out the value of constant and equation of variation. Okay, what is the value of constant? Means its product. The K is the constant and P into Q means 15 into 4 is 60. 50, 15 for the 60. 60 is the value of constant. And what is the equation? Equation is P is equals to K upon Q, means P is equals to 15. Okay, or you just put down the value of 60, means P into Q is equals to P into Q is equals to K. And what is the value of K? Value of K is 60. This is the value of constant, and P into Q is 60 is the equation of the variation. Now see the another one example. And another one example is second example. Z is inversely proportional to W, then Z is equals to 2.5 and W is equals to 24. Okay, similarly you can solve this example. Then Z is equals to K upon W, that's why K is equals to Z into W. This is the variation, this is the equation of variation, that's why K is equals to Z into W, means Z is 2.5 into 24. You just do here the multiplication. 24 5s are 120. Okay, 120 means 0 and carry 12. 22s are 48, and this is the 48 plus 12. 48 plus 12 is 60, and leave the one digit from left side of the number. Then see, K is equals to again 60. Then the equation of variation Z into W is equals to 60 is the equation of variation. Okay, now we have another one question, another example. You just see, this is the important example of inverse variation. Okay, suppose x is inversely proportional to under root of y, then x is equals to 40, then y is equals to 16. If x equals to 10, then what is the value of y? Okay, similar method we can use here. X is inversely proportional of square root of y, means x is inverse variation of square root of y. Okay, then see, x is equals to k upon under root of y, then k is equals to x into under root of y. This is the equation of variation or value of constant. Then see, first we just find out the value of constant. What is the value of x? Value of x is 40, and into what is the value of y? But here y is in the square root, that's why y is in the square root, means under root of 16. 40 into square root of 16 is 4, and this is 160. 4 4 is 16 and 0. This is the value of k. K is equals to 160. Okay, then if x is equals to 10, then what is the value of y? Okay, see, 160 is equals to 10 into under root of y. Okay, 160 upon 10 is equals to under root of y. Then under root of y is equals to 16. That means squaring on both sides here. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides means in bracket under root y square, and here is the 16 square. This square and square root cancel, that's why y is equals to 16 square is 256, means the value of y is equals to 256. Okay, this is important example. And see, the next point we will see in the next lecture. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.